Hello everyone, I'm Crystal from Starfire Tech. Have you ever seen this? A USB Type-C full-feature cable passes PD, data, and even video test. But in real application, it causes flickering or black screen. The issue is no functionality. It's something many people overlook. Total phase. Total phase reflects how well high-speed signals stay synchronized. If there's skews, impedance mismatch, or signal loss, the phase becomes unstable. In lab tests, it might still pass, but in real-world applications, it leads to unstable video or even complete signal loss. So if you want a truly reliable USB Type-C full-feature cable, don't just check functional tests. Make sure the total phase results are fully compliant. Our company, Starfire Tech, specializes in high-quality cable solutions. If you need high-quality USB Type-C cables, feel free to contact us. To learn more about us, please visit www.starfirecablehubs.com. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.